When dangerous animals caught being friendly in an unexpected way. Let's get into it, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This first clip, I would have said some cram. I would have chucked her ass, boy. Let me tell you, bro.
You are weighing. You put all your weight on my leg.
Kit Kat. Oh, yeah, you know me. Hey.
Watch as dangerous beasts reveal their soft side, like comedians in unexpected costumes.
Boy, I said, get out my way. What is that?
When a giant has the heart of a puppy,
Hold on, let me turn this up. Hold on. What a baby tiger. Tigers. Hey, bro, y'all know that one hippo game, bro? Was it online or like where was it, bro? It was this one it was a hippo game. We used to play when I was younger. I forgot what it's called. I'm gonna try to search it up. Hold on.
oh come on, buddy, aren't you a bit too old to still be this clingy at mealtime?
Yes, it's called Hungry Hippos, bruh. This right here. It's crazy. Elephant. Oh my, bro. Bro, if y'all ever been to the zoo and you see an elephant, bro, and they're doing number two, bro, move away about 20 yards back, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Oh my god, bro. Lord, bro. Bro, that stuff is dangerous, bro, to be around, bro. That stuff is make you want to have to puke. But some elephants are friendly, though.
Proof that inside every lion, there's actually a house cat running the show.
They do it. Boy, getting a massage, boy.
Little cleaner.
Crocodile, bro.
Crocodile be like, oh yes, that's the spot, human. Keep going. Feels amazing.
Oh, you like that, don't you?
Oh yeah. If you stop, I'm a snap at you. If you stop, so you better rub my back.
That's the spot. Good girl.
I know crocodiles be snapping.
Why are you trying to steal my pumpkin, dude? Whoa, don't come inside. No. You just stay there. Whoa, dude. Whoa. Hey, don't eat the pumpkin. You look ballsy, dude.
Bro, have y'all ever went out to the wild? I'm gonna stop pausing. Have y'all ever like took a walk in the wild and like you just imagine something popping
Seals
up or
must be
chasing
the
you?
friendliest hosts ever.
That stuff
Look how
is
they welcome
so
him.
scary to think about, bro. Especially at night. Yellowfin.
Bears are super smart. They learn just by watching and remembering. Here's the proof.
Close the door. Good boy. Go ahead. All the way, hon. All the way.
Bro, that boy was about to terrorize the house. Let him know.
So, which one of these people would you be when greeted by a lion?
Hey, somebody gonna see this video and they gonna be like, there go Yuji-kun. Not me, bruh.
They say dolphins are sailors' best friends, and they're absolutely right.
Every time I see a dolphin, it reminds me of that SpongeBob movie where he when he helped SpongeBob and all of them go to the go save the recipe, the Krabby Patty formula. Fox.
Looks like this customer isn't too picky with today's spa treatment.
Crocodiles on what? Let him know.
You're good. Good girl. You're back. Good girl.
Getting a kiss from this cutie would make anyone as happy as she is.
God, it's so cozy now. Please stop. Stop.
Я же не маленькая.
Маленькая, должна быть маленькая.
Uh-oh, a sharky. Nah, I'm scared of sharks. I don't care. I don't care how old I am. I don't care how big I am. I don't care. I'm scared of sharks. I'm never getting in the water with a shark in it, bro.
Wild animals never forget the people who raised them when they were little.
Both of you. You're jealous of each other.
Hey, where the goats at, bro? You gotta show LeBron, bro. We need the goats in this video.
I know.
This must be the perfect example of the most dangerous place is sometimes the safest one.
Well, that boy thick. That boy thick.
Ay, hermoso. ¿Quién es mi niño? ¿Quién es mi niño? ¿Quién es mi niño precioso y hermoso? ¿Juanito? ¿Juanito lindo? Ven, pipí.
Cheeto boy.
Me and my bestie finally reuniting after living in different countries.
Shark again. There go that shark again.
Wild animals' friendliness is simply amazing, right? Don't miss the next video.
I love you.
This last clip right here, man. Well, that concludes the video. So make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.